messed it up at. Because I scraped the floor because they didn't put the stove back. So now I'm over here trying to slide it.
Hey y'all, it's Carrie and D, and struggle along with me as I attempt to put this oven back in place at the venue. So I'm plugging in the oven, and somehow I managed to snatch the whole entire outlet out the wall, and it was just a struggle. The whole event was a struggle. Putting the oven back in place, the plug, just all the things, and I was really over there contemplating life. Several times I think I checked out because it was just too much. This is why I almost died on my birthday, because I have no upper body strength. And so I felt like I was being tested, and I had already worked out earlier this morning, so I was really kind of over it. Several times I paused, and I really just had to take a break and really rethink life and try and figure out how I was going to get this in here. And I'm like, I know it goes in because I've watched them do it a couple of times, but it's always been groups of people, not just one person. So I'm literally over it, struggling, trying to get this thing in this tight spot. And yeah, so enjoy the show as I contemplate life.
Okay, bye. On business, they say. It'll be fun.